Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to show you just one thing that is for the tank. If you like this project, let me know. How is it looking so far? Uh, this quality is okay, but I'm not sure about that. It's also fine, I guess. So far so great. I mean, we don't have to anything like recreate anything. So, it's not bad quality assets at all. I don't see anything so bad quality asset. For the for enemy tanks, or even for yourself, if you'd like to make something like very simple design, so you just do like this way. So enemy tank uh, asset. It's better. It's better quality. You can change this enemy tank as well. So for that, you just make a folder here. Okay. So you just make some materials for enemy tank materials. You just do like that. Whatever you want. Okay. It is better quality. It's not better quality. It's better looking. Whatever you just want to choose. Just, just do blue, probably blue, probably this. See, this is enemy tank. You put a lot of enemy tanks in front of the essence. So this, I made already one project, so it's not done yet. So I'm just showing you some kind of show off. You can say that. So let's hope for the best. Did I do the new material? It's tank part. Mm, no, not full red actually. We can do like this. Okay. For tires, probably I could go with the black. Yep. Mm, mm, mm. Or probably green. 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 Green looks awesome. It is enemy tank, you know. Hmm. It looks like Israeli flag or something. I don't know. Probably. great looking tank so far. Okay. I'll show you one the other video that how did I make that enemy tank or any tank. So basically, I'll show you that later on. Okay. I'll definitely show you guys how to make this, how to make a tank, or how to make any assets for your game, especially for 3D games. And I'm making a 3D platform, so definitely you don't click there right away because it is dangerous to make your assets being gone sometimes, you know. Uh, that's how it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a tree. I'll show you how to make trees too. You can use a Blender. You can use Unity as well. You can use Unreal. Anything, any softwares. Definitely, C Sharp is the only language you can code with this things, which I'll show you later. You just make this happen like this, and, and that's how it is. And you just forward, do like this. Yep, that's how it is. So this is you basically. So game starts from here. That's all. So this is the basic game designs and game making or developing. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and please subscribe my channel. I'll show you more.